All right, you guys, this is the OMNICARRY IWB holster. This holster right here will fit over 300 different handguns. Yes, you heard that right, 300. And the way we do that is right here with our patent pending retention plate system. This is our sight channel plate. And we also have a trigger guard plate that will go right here. We also have 3 additional points of retention, 1, 2, and 3 that you can adjust to fine tune your fit for whatever you want to carry. So let me know what pistol you like to carry. Put it in the comments and I will give you a green check mark. Or if you're lucky, I'll give you a video fit test with your pistol inside. Like, follow, comment for more. I'll see you later.